All right, kids, it's the moment of truth. I painted my new Brodbeck Ironworks grinder yesterday and spent most of today putting it together. And let's see how we did. I haven't even adjusted it yet, and it is just smooth. I gotta play with the pots and everything, but let's put it on 11. Let's go 11. So that's with the flat platen on it. Here it is with the adjustable tool rest. It's a nice wide rest. I like the nice wide tool rest because I broke down and got the DD knife jigs, especially for my classes coming up, so they can get some nice consistent grind. So this is going to work out great. You just bolt your knife onto this, adjust your angle up and down, and you got a nice wide tool rest to run across. I also got the 10-inch contact wheel. I haven't done much in the way of hollow grinding because to date I've only had an 8-inch, which I primarily use for shaping handles. But I'll probably try some more in the way of hollow grinding because of this attachment. Also got the small wheel attachment. And Ryan adds an extra idler arm right there. You get a screw radius out here. Comes with one other smaller contact wheel. And again, the variable speed is to fit it. There's also this new slack belt attachment, which you see here, and it's cool because I can take the flat platen out, and then, hard to do this one-handed, but you get the general idea. I will get it set up, but it's just that easy to pull one and put in the other, and you'll have like a mini slack belt grinding station. So here it is in slack belt configuration. This one I got a little bit more to do with tracking. Not 100% lined up the way it should be, but this is just assembling it right out of the box the first time. You know, I put a couple things on backwards the first time or two, but you know, if you paid attention, then you would have done it right the first time. So real happy with it coming right out of the box. Putting it all together. I think it looks cool with painting it first. Got my colors on there, even though you're not even going to be able to see it in a couple weeks. But I think it looks cool with the OD green and the logo. Super happy. Can't wait to start grinding with it.